Hey everyone, we got our full width Simpson Family Jeep banner going here. I'm going to show you an install video on how to set it up. First, let's take a look at the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need your Simpson Family Jeeps windshield banner, available at SFJ 4x4. You're going to need some glass cleaner, rag or paper towels, scraper, or also known as a squeegee, and some alcohol prep pads. First, clean your windshield real good with your glass cleaner, then go back over it with your alcohol wiping pads, making sure it's clean of dust, dirt, and debris. Next, you want to measure and center your windshield banner on your windshield. These banners are 40 inches wide, so 20 inch will be your center point. I like to use masking tape or painter's tape as a reference to know where my ends are at. Carefully peel the backing off your windshield banner application and prepare for installation. Then climb up on your Jeep and center your windshield banner on your window. An extra pair of hands is always helpful with a longer decal. Be sure not to put it too high as your windshield curves. Next, use your scraper tool to scrape the vinyl onto your windshield, being sure to leave the clear sticker part in place. Now is the time that you take your scraper and scrape all the air bubbles out. Last, slowly peel the clear sheet off your windshield. Here's the tip. If the vinyl is sticking to your transfer tape, use your scraper tool to hold down your lettering while slowly peeling off the clear transfer tape. Send us a message on Facebook if you're interested in a windshield banner for your Jeep. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications on new videos, and head over to sfj4x4.com for all your Jeep needs.